Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashley Blake and I am going to be using the Unicorn Glaze and Stain on this piece. I'm going to be doing more of a sponging kind of tutorial, so keep watching. So I was actually fortunate enough to buy this piece with the top and the drawer fronts already sanded down. Just another furniture refinisher looking to get rid of some of their extra projects. So I'm kind of using this and just testing it out without any water added. I have turquoise, magenta, white, and purple. Right now I am just kind of applying it with my hand. I'm wearing gloves, as you can see, and I'm kind of just playing with the stain, making a nice base for when I want to go back and sponge in my colors in specific places. So I am taking my Sea Sponge roller brush and just kind of sponging it around everywhere, and I will go back and add spots of colors to kind of diffuse with the Sea Sponge brush later. I did get the brush wet and I kind of squeezed out the extra water before using it to make it a little bit easier to blend everything out. As you can see, I am rolling it, but then also kind of bouncing it along to kind of just kind of keep it a little bit more concentrated. I don't want it to be totally diffused because I want it to be almost like watercolor, but like, I don't know. I'm kind of playing around and seeing what I like. One thing about the Unicorn Spit is that you can diffuse it up to 50%, but I am obviously not doing that. I'm just putting it right on my piece, and so it is not really seeping into the wood as you might want it to do in some projects, but I kind of wanted it to sit on top and be really bright and bold, and so that is why I'm not kind of watering it down. But if you were going to use it as a stain, that would be awesome, and it would go a lot further, your product would. So after the Unicorn Spit is done drying, I am applying a clear glossy top coat, and this is the same spray top coat that I use for the top of the dresser, but I don't show it. I am going to stain the top with a gel stain, and you'll see that in a little bit. This is a gold metallic spray paint that I am using for these poles. I got my poles and knobs from Home Depot, and now I'm just going to paint 2 coats of the white paint in the color the Perfect White from Valspar. I just got it at Lowe's, and this stain that I'm using, it is the gel stain from Varathane. It is in the color Hickory, and I have never used this before, and I really loved how it turned out. I'm just buffing it out with a cloth afterwards, and I did apply that same spray onto the top of that when it dried. This is the after, and thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you'd like to see more of the Unicorn Spit in my project, so thank you.